document for the court, for the federal court, that brought the authority, and you are not listening to me. I got rid of
How is it? The commander asked that should do recording. The commander asked. Your commander.
Yes.
He asked that for evidence sake.
For evidence sake. I want to know.
Okay. That the commander asked. Yeah. That he will have to put.
I beg you, go ahead. Go ahead.
So,
I got big document. Big document. I got court document. I got D. I received no citation. I'm on a road today. I got D. Before I bought this gun, I take my D again. And you go another thing to me. And hey, come on, God. I'm coming in. I got document. I got the authority already. People are destroying my property. And here, I'm a LeBron citizen. I did not just come and erect here. I did due diligence. I bought my document, my land. I got all the required documents. Yeah, I bought with a more family. And you are not listening to me. How do I come across where this man already? He's coming from inside town, Google. Doing research here. You're already doing damage.
But maybe they make a call the judge.
Judge to do what? You already.
Okay. Yeah, I nothing to do.
Oh, you already destroyed my property.
I put a point in possession.
Oh, so where is the document you got?
You see it?
Did you serve me?
What?
Have you served me?
You are being served.
When? Where?
But you own violation.
I said no. I bought from the more fund that I received no document. I'm saying it here. I received no document, and the sheriff is here. He don't want to deliver his to me. Are you with me, officers? I'm not in any violent mood. This is wrong. I'm a LeBron citizen. Anybody destroy my property. I spent thousands of dollars here. Here are my document. You don't care to look at me as a citizen of Liberia. I'm Jurah Sanoe. Is that correct? You see that? They don't care to look at my document. These are documents from the public court, LeBron Land Authority, and National Archive Center. What is more than that? These are the places that can give you Liberia law. I met all requirements. And I'm talking to the police people who have spent thousands of dollars for this thing. They keep doing it. You guys are not talking. You guys are not talking as police officer. I'm not in a violent mood. I talked to the commander, he wanted to listen to me.
All of you.
Sorry? Here. Here are my documents. Here are my documents. I got documents for the program code. Officer Commander, your men are destroying my property.
My men?
You are in charge.
Yeah, no,
you are the commander.
I am not sharing.
You are the commander. You are doing the physical work. I told you I got documents to authenticate my claims.
Yes, but for me, I want to keep the sheriff to do their job.
But I'm not beating him. I'm not beating him.
They carry a document.
The sheriff is not even giving. He has said no paper.
For me,
under the own law, says me.
Chief.
He said notice in law is a requirement.
Chief, can I talk to you, please?
But it's going
on.
on.
Let me just
It's going on.
Chief, let me just learn. For me, I don't have nothing. The sheriff are here to do their job. I don't have anything to do. Go to them. Yeah. They can say yes or no.
Mr. Sheriff.
Huh?
Sheriff?
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 What's your name?
Hello, good morning.
What's your name?
Good morning,
what is
Sheriff.
Your name?
My brother.
You need to come down.
Sheriff?
Yeah, but you are destroying me.
Post stop to those
you
people
are destroying me. No need.
You know.
No need to stop here.
Post stop to them.
Here? I don't have any document. I've not been served. Before you destroy my property, let me know. On our law, notice is a requirement. Notice a requirement. You see my brother? They are destroying my property. Thousands of dollars. You see that? You see? The judge is not here. But you know what?
Everybody here.
Where? Where? Have I been informed?
You take this and get your lawyer.
It is now you're telling me.
It's a real possession.
It is not
for the fact that you jack on me, I serve you. It is
not telling me. You see that? Put the camera here. It said now he's telling me. It said now he's telling me. It's gone. Everything's gone. I will do the video. I'm not attacking you. I'm not insulting you. I'm making my case. Yeah. This is wrong. I'm not See here. Officer, this is why you are talking to me. This is why you are talking to me.
Operation guys.
No protect me.
Hey, officer. Officer.
Yeah, big chief. That's our big.
This will be a large discussion.
Hey, this is not your fight. Officer, I apologize on their behalf. Yeah? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey. They not come for your stuff. Sorry. Misinformation. Sorry. I regard you highly. Thank you. I like the way you're handling the matter. Sorry for that. Yeah? Sorry. Yeah? Sorry. Yeah?
I can come out, you know.
Sorry, officer. Sorry.
You are disqualified. I will say this. Officer PSU commander, I'm not your face. I will say this. You didn't get your audience. Chief, you are a peacemaker.
I told you.
You are a superior man.
I will not
the death document. The death document.
Talk to them.
The death
I didn't do anything here.
Listen, the death in your presence. I was never said before. I was not said before.
Okay. Mr. Sanoe? I got a video. Mister, I got a video. Huh? Hey, y'all go back. Yeah, I'm sending them back. Hey, I will send them back. Sorry. I said y'all go back. Y'all fall back. Y'all fall back, gentlemen. Y'all go back. Please. Y'all go back, please. Thank you for the coordination. For your unity. I'm Valium Kamara.
Please go here.
So we can share contact.
Yeah, I will call you.
No problem. Ko Jurah ti se tura confusion no. Ka fo ko mo wi ko Jurah. Hey, you stop.